Hello guys, welcome back again to another session of Autocad Advanced Practice. So um, today we are going to draw this 3D spring. Um, without wasting time, let's get started. So let me turn off my Greek line. All right. So first of all, I'm going to start with helix tool. So you expand this draw panel and you click on helix, then you pick a point here and type a radius of 5 units, enter, and 5 again for top, enter, and you choose tones here where you see tones, just click on it and type 10, and for the they say specify helix height, you type 30, enter. Then let's go to home icon here and see how it looks like. Oh yes, so this is it. Now looking at this drawing, what we have to do next is to put this curve part, this hook, the hook part. So let's see. All right, before we do that, let's pick on this 3 points arc, and I will pick on this point, and then I will click the top of this. Then after that, I I have already made the first point. The second point, I will just click somewhere here. Let's just click somewhere around here and then make arc like this, right? Okay, so let's go back to home menu and view it. Okay, we have this. So I'm going to do the same thing to the bottom. So let's rotate this small. Okay. Alright, so I will pick this arc tool again. I will click on this, then click the bottom part here. Okay, so I will do exactly the same thing. So let's do something like this, right? Let it be like this. Okay, so let's go back to home. All right, so at this point I'm going to draw the hook now. So for me to draw the hook, let me look for the best option. So let me click on this front, right? Let me click on this front. Okay, then I'm going to choose this view here, and I'll pick arc tool, and I will orbit this small, very small. Okay, all right, so then I will pick this point. When I pick it, I will still go back to the top here, and I will try to draw the arc. So just making it something close to this, something like this. See, something like this. Yes, we are done with that part. So let's go back to the home. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing to the bottom part here. So let me rotate small. Okay, right? So let me click this and then make it look like this. Okay, so I will click this view again. I will click this. Let me rotate it small. Okay, let me not turn it. It's okay to have it like this. So when I click view, I click on this. Okay, so I will pick this point first, then I will click this top, let it be. So I can draw it from bottom like this. So just do exactly the way we did the other side, and then you have this. Just draw something similar to this, and here we have it. So let's go to the home icon, and we have something like this. So now we are going to turn this to 3D. For us to do that, let us are we at home? Okay, So let's me click join a whole drawing together. So you just select everything and type J. Everything is now joined together. Then if you look closely, you see some parts that are not smooth. So let's try and remove this vertex. So yeah, so when you just move close to the vertex, you see remove vertex. So what you do is just click and it becomes smooth. I think at here that is the only where we have rough vertex. So coming down here, we also have another one here. What you do is just go close to that place and click remove vertex. I don't think we have any other place that is sharp again. Okay, so at that point we are going to turn this to 3D. To do that, let's select on the view here and let's pick a circle tool and make a circle of say radius 0.75. Let's just use that 0.75. Enter. We have this. Okay, so now we are going to sweep. So to sweep, you just come here, expand, and then click sweep here. Click on the circle, press enter, and then click on the spring and wait for it to turn to 3D. Okay, now this spring has turned to 3D. So let's change our visual style to shaded to see it more clearly, and here we have it. So this is the spring that we wanted to draw. So let's look at the original one. See, it's exactly what we have here. You can rotate it to see. So we have this spring with hook. Okay, so this is where we are going to end today's practice. Then next video I'm going to make another 3D drawing, and it's going to be very interesting. So please subscribe so that you see what we are going to draw. Trust me, when I say it's going to be interesting, it's going to be very interesting. All right, bye for now.